Real Danny.
Cool.
Wow.
Cool. Danny is Danny.
Danny with Ruby.
That's okay, you girl, you eyes can catch it. Yeah?
Oh.
What is that? Belly? Kevin.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah,
Okay. When you first think of ancient Egypt, what comes into your mind?
Fat belly?
Pyramid.
Yes, exactly, pyramids. And when you think of losing weight, what comes into your mind? Taking drugs? Weight loss pills? No. No liposuction. Exercise, actually, yes. It's called diet control. So, you might think, what is the connection between a pyramid and a diet control? Well, ancient pharaohs has came up with a great contribution that has lived by today, and it is the food pyramid. Actually, yeah, the food pyramid actually has nothing to do with the pharaoh. It is the scientists that invented the food pyramid. Okay, so all of you had the handouts, right? And tonight, whether you guys already realized what is the food pyramid or not, tonight I'm going to introduce you guys a new form, a newly modified food pyramid, and which is published by the Harvard Department of Public Health. And it is also proved by Harvard that the new food pyramid could be fit on every kind of human being. Yes. As you can see on your handout and on the PowerPoint, this is the modified food pyramid. And the food pyramid provides us a dietary guideline. It tells us what to eat and how can we control the amount and how can we eat healthy. Starting from the right bottom, the foundation of this pyramid, it is, as you can see, it is daily exercise and weight control, focusing on daily exercise. It doesn't mean that you have to go to gym every day, but you have to live an active daily life, such as you run, you jog, you walk, you bike. That is daily exercise. And above this, the pyramid splits from the base to 3 groups: the whole grains, the vegetable and fruits, and then the healthy fat and oil. Starting from the grains, well, in this pyramid, it focuses on whole grains. We all know that grain consists of carbohydrates that provide human beings with the energy that we need in our daily life. But in this category, it focuses on whole grains, such as whole grain bread, whole grain meals, such as oats, or whole wheat, or brown rice, that kind of thing. And you can also refer to the top, which is said, use sparingly, which means that eat as less as you can. And on the third line, it says refined grains, such as white rice and white bread. So compared to refined ones, you'd rather take in whole grains. This is the grain part. And as for the vegetables and fruits, you know that vegetables and fruits are full with nutrition that mainly counts out for above half of the nutrition we eat in all day, and it is rich in fiber as well. So it is recommended that you eat as much as vegetables and fruits every day as you can, as much as you can. And now, in the middle, in between, is the healthy oils and fat. Some people might think, how come the oil category falls from the top to the bottom? Actually, oil, there are 2 different kinds of oil. One is good oil, and the other is the bad oil. And in this category, it focuses on the good oil, which is healthy oils such as olive oil, peanut oils, or soy oils. Those oils can help to maintain our general health condition. Yes, and it is also proved to reduce our cholesterol rate in our body, and also prevent us from cardiovascular disease. Yes, and in the middle of the pyramid, it splits between animal proteins and then plant proteins. Animal proteins with fish, poultry, and eggs. Fish is a good source of animal protein. It also contains particular source of oil that protects our heart. And poultry is a good choice for low-fat and lean meat protein. And eggs. It is really easy to get and easy to buy and easy to eat and easy to see in our daily life. So fish, poultry, and eggs is considered a good protein as animal protein. And on the other side, nuts, seeds, beans, and tofu are considered as good plant proteins. These proteins can benefit our human beings in a way that the animal proteins cannot benefit us, such as provide us with antioxidants that prevent us from aging, and also with some healthy oils that we need for growth. And above that, we move into the dairy and calcium supplements. The reason why they put dairy and calcium supplements such as milk, cheese, or yogurt, those kind of stuff in it, because they want to emphasize in daily uptaking for young children, especially for growth, and also for some certain adults, which they kind of lose their calcium so that they need daily supplements. And on the very top that you can see a gap between the categories below, it is the saturated fat, which is red meat and butter, and on the left, on the right, it is the refined grains. These categories, it says use sparingly, which means that eat as less as you can, because it's not that good as below for your health. So this is the pyramid. And you might also notice that there are also two kind of different categories that they provide as extra optional categories. One of them that I like the best is they say alcohol. Some people might say, can alcohol make my health better? Actually, it does, but only in one condition. On the condition that your servings is in moderation and in balance, especially for young generations like us. And next, multivitamin. Multivitamin is like a insurance policy that in case that we do not take in all these nutritions we need, you can take a multivitamin. So this above is the new modified food pyramid. Okay? So now we know that about the pyramid, so we have to go back and remember that the quantitations and the qualities and each category you have to is equally important. Do not eat too much meat and forget the fruit and vegetables. Each of them are equally important. And most of all, on the fundamental basis is daily exercise. This is the most important part, daily exercise. Okay, so you can start to eat healthy and live healthy. That's the PME.